Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting Wi-Fi dead zones in large buildings. If you've ever experienced your internet connection suddenly dropping out when you walk into certain areas, you're dealing with what we call a Wi-Fi dead zone. Today, we'll explore why these frustrating dead spots occur and how to fix them effectively. Let's start by understanding why dead zones happen in the first place. Large buildings present several challenges for Wi-Fi signals. Thick walls, especially those made of concrete or metal, can significantly block or weaken Wi-Fi signals. Electronic devices like elevators, microwaves, and even other Wi-Fi networks can create interference. Sometimes the problem is as simple as poor router placement, perhaps hidden away in a cabinet or corner where its signal can't effectively reach all areas. The size and layout of your building might also exceed what your current Wi-Fi setup can handle. Now, let's dive into how to properly troubleshoot these dead zones. Start with a simple walk test using a smartphone or laptop to identify exactly where the signal drops. This gives you a basic map of problem areas. For more precise results, consider using Wi-Fi heat mapping tools. There are both professional options like backhaul and free apps available that can create detailed visualizations of your coverage. Pay special attention to your router and access point placement. Are they positioned centrally and at an elevated height, or are they hidden away where they can't perform effectively? Testing different frequency bands can also reveal important information. The 2.4 GHz band typically travels farther and penetrates walls better, but offers slower speeds. The 5 GHz band provides faster speeds, but doesn't travel as far or penetrate obstacles as well. Check for interference from neighboring networks too. Sometimes switching to a less congested Wi-Fi channel can make a significant difference. Once you've identified your dead zones, it's time to implement solutions. Start by repositioning your access points to more optimal locations. Generally, open and central areas work best. In larger buildings, you'll likely need multiple access points strategically placed throughout the space. Consider implementing a managed Wi-Fi system, which can help devices transition smoothly between access points as users move through the building. If you're still using older equipment, an upgrade might be necessary. Modern Wi-Fi systems are better equipped to handle today's connectivity demands. For the most reliable solution in large buildings, consider using wired backhaul, connecting your access points via Ethernet cable rather than relying solely on wireless mesh networks. This provides more stable and consistent coverage throughout your space. Here are some professional tips to keep in mind. Always conduct a thorough survey before installing new equipment. Guessing at placement often leads to problems down the road. Be careful not to oversaturate your space with too many access points, as this can actually create interference problems. For very large buildings, consider investing in a professional Wi-Fi design service. While it might seem expensive initially, it can save you money and headaches in the long run by ensuring your system is properly designed from the start. Remember, eliminating Wi-Fi dead zones in large buildings is often an iterative process. Start by identifying problem areas, test thoroughly, and then implement solutions methodically. With proper planning and the right approach, you can create reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout even the largest buildings.